How to fix your EZVIZ camera is not working. So whether you can't connect to the camera or you've just forgotten the passwords, I'll show you how to reset the camera and how to go and fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is obviously make sure your camera is plugged in. So go and grab the charging cable and plug one end into the power outlet and the USB-C end into the camera itself. Now once your camera is turned on, you should see a blue LED light, and this indicates that the camera is actually working. Now the next thing we're going to do is actually reset the camera itself. So if you go and tilt the camera lens upwards like so, you'll then see a reset button that you need to go and hold down for 25 seconds. Now after holding this down, your camera should say that the reset has been successful. Once you hear this message, you can go and release the reset button. Now we're ready to actually connect our phone to the camera. So go and grab your smartphone, this can be an iPhone or an Android, and then you need to load up the App Store on your phone. So from here, I'm just going to click on the search box, and you need to go and search for the EZVIZ app. Once you've found the app, which is this one here, go and download and install it onto your phone. You could then go and open up the app, and you can just run through all of these instructions to set up the app on your device. You'll then need to select a region and create a free account. So if I click on create account at the bottom of this page, you can then go through the steps to create yourself an account. You may get some pop-up notifications on the screen. Make sure to allow all the different notifications. So now we can go and actually connect the camera to the phone. So if you click on the plus icon, you can select scan QR code, and then we need to scan the QR code located at the bottom of the camera. So if you come round to the camera, you'll see this plastic lid at the bottom, and you can essentially go and rotate this to remove the lid. And then you can point your phone's camera at this QR code, and this should automatically link your camera to your smartphone. Now once you've followed the steps on the screen and your device has been connected, you may also require a password in order to unlock the camera. Now this password can just be found at the bottom of the camera, so because we've reset the camera, this will just be the default password. You can then just go and enter this password onto your smartphone, and this will unlock the camera. So as you can see now, the camera is working and we can see this live feed on our smartphone.